What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I specialise in getting you free games but also saving you money across the internet. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Final Fantasy VII Rebirth for free, and this is available for PlayStation 5 consoles. Now this method is super easy. It utilises a digital game code that you can enter in the PS Store, and it's going to download the full copy of Final Fantasy VII for completely free. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. There is a little bit of a process. You need to use your mobile phone, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. So let's get into it guys. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, and yeah, let's do this. So you can see you need to open up an internet browser on your mobile phone and go to this website. So type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here: www.wavycoupons.com. So Wavy Coupons, guys, you've got to go to this website here. This is an absolutely awesome website. They basically add tons of stuff every now and then, and this is a brand new game, so they've recently added this. So you just need to search for Final Fantasy, and you're looking for this page, the Final Fantasy VII Rebirth free digital game code. Click on this page and you can see guys, these codes are limited. But yeah, there's a ton of them because this is a new game out. So this is a free digital copy of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth for PlayStation consoles. Specifically, I think this is only available for the PlayStation 5, but you can try this if you've got a PS4 as well. So click on show code, and basically you need to unlock your digital code. Obviously this game is pretty expensive, so this is just prevention to stop someone from stealing every code available. So this limits you to one code, so you need to unlock code. So tap that button there, and there is a short process you need to complete. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but it's well worth it. Obviously this game is pretty expensive, so yeah. So you're going to see this code unlocker. If you haven't seen something like this before, don't panic. It's super easy to complete. You just need to complete 2 of the tasks listed on this page. Now you're going to see a selection of different tasks ranging from downloading free apps to playing some games to answering questions in questionnaires. You just have to complete 2. It doesn't matter which ones you choose, just as long as you follow the instructions that it states below each one. So as an example for this video, you can see this Family Island. It says download the complete level 8. So in this scenario, I would have to download that game and play it until I got to level 8. And then I would also complete this one, which says follow the instructions. So this is like a podcast. I think I have to basically open up and play a podcast. So I'm going to go and do 2 of these, and then once I've completed them, I'll return. So I'll see you in probably about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I just spent about 10 minutes that took me, because I just had to download this game at the top here, and then I had to play it until I completed level 8, so that did take me a little bit, but I didn't mind doing it. It was quite a fun game actually. And then I listened to literally a few seconds of a podcast, and it did complete. So now I've completed those 2 tasks, and I made sure I followed all of the instructions. When I hit my tabs button located down on the bottom right, you can now see I've got this Final Fantasy VII Rebirth tab. If you do not see this tab containing your code, you may have done something wrong, so do just make sure you follow all of the instructions. Now I'm going to open that up, and like I said, it has contained my code, or should say it's revealed my code, so I can go ahead and literally copy this, and I can redeem this in the PlayStation Store, and it's going to download the full copy of Final Fantasy VII for free. So that is it guys. Like I said, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and considering how expensive this game is, I think it's well worth it. So yeah, go to wavycoupons.com guys and search for the Final Fantasy page, follow through all of the instructions, and that's going to get you your free copy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video useful and you benefited from it, press that like button, consider subscribing, because I plan on making many more videos like this. So yeah, enjoy playing your Final Fantasy VII Rebirth game, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.